In extreme environments and emergency missions, efficiency is life. The Spider-Eye M400 industrial drone is engineered for heavy-duty aerial operations. With a maximum payload of 200 kilograms, a rated capacity of 180 kilograms, and up to 45 minutes of flight time, it can deliver 70 kilograms of cargo over 25.8 kilometers in a single sortie. Its foldable design enables rapid deployment and access to any location. Powered by Spider-Eye's proprietary NA-80 flight controller and an intelligent anti-sway system, the M400 effectively suppresses payload oscillation, ensuring centimeter-level precision in delivery, even in high winds or turbulent conditions. When wildfires or hazardous chemical leaks strike, the M400 becomes an airborne firefighting vanguard, equipped with a dual-axis gimbal and 2K HD video transmission for real-time situational awareness. It hovers precisely to deploy fire-extinguishing grenades or critical supplies. Beyond solo missions, the M400 supports swarm operations, controlling up to 30 drones from a single station, to form an intelligent fleet for large-scale logistics and synchronized fire suppression. Spider-Eye M400. King of transport, vanguard of firefighting, master of versatility. Redefining the limits of heavy-lift drones with uncompromising technology. Spider-Eye M400 agricultural drone. Aerospace-grade aluminum and carbon fiber airframe. Easy transport and storage. 180L large capacity. Suit large field spraying. Seamlessly switch between modes. Auger-type precision spreading. Anti-clogging and stable. Upgraded under-tank centrifugal nozzles. Splash-proof. Upgraded power. Coaxial dual-rotor design. Pure carbon fiber propellers. Heat-resistant and safer flight. Full scenario expandable platform. Modular customization. 3 intelligent batteries, rotatable for > 25 minutes no-load endurance. 360 degrees omnidirectional radar (RTK) positioning. All-weather operation. Full coverage for night and complex scenarios. Wide-angle camera plus dual antennas. Safer operation. Top choice for empowering agricultural production quality and efficiency.